What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the latest episode of Friday Night Rides. I'm about to hop over to the north side, go get some tacos, meeting up with a buddy. All right, once y'all come through, let's go. What is up? What is going on, everybody, man? It is a beautiful day out here in Las Vegas. Oh man, riding season is upon us. I've been out of action for a couple of weeks, man. I had to go do some work stuff over in Nashville, Tennessee. Man, I had to drive through all that tornado stuff. We didn't really see any tornadoes, but there was definitely a lot of damage. Man, it makes you feel real thankful to be in the desert. I mean, we don't get much stuff over here. So yeah, so I'm glad to be back at it. It's cool seeing everybody on the road, man. Being out in the Tennessee area and just going up the 40 from Las Vegas. Yeah, I drove. I like road trips, so it was pretty interesting to see everybody out, man. Everybody was out. There was so many bikes on the road, it made me anxious to get home. So glad to be here with y'all today. So where are we going today? So I've been meeting up, I've been wanting to meet up with my buddy. Got some tacos, man. I haven't talked to her in a minute. And it's always a good time to meet with friends, you know what I mean? Especially on a Friday, man. Friday's my favorite day. What's y'all favorite day of the week to ride, man? Mine's Friday. I know, a lot of traffic. Rush hour is always a little bit crazier on Fridays, but you can't beat the magical day that is Friday, man. There's so many things that can happen on that day. So we gotta go over here to a place called the Taco Stand. I've never been there, but I do like a nice taco, you know what I mean? So I can't wait to see what kind of food they got. I'm looking forward to it. Look forward to sharing what they got over there. Maybe y'all can drop by in Vegas one day and check out the spot. So we got a couple rides planned this weekend as well. One tomorrow, we're gonna go do a Pahrump, 2-hour ride out, and we're just gonna have a good time, spend the whole day. We got a gang of bikes coming, so y'all gonna want to look out for that video. That's gonna be the next week's video. So we got a lot of exciting stuff planned, man. All right, time to hop on the freeway. Whoo, man. Sunny day. Still cool to see a little bit of the snow on top of the mountains over there. All right, let's get on this freeway so we know what we work with. Okay, it's not too bad looking. Let's go. Whoa! Let's go! Man, no better feeling. Woo! Man, I'm terrible with directions, man. Even with a GPS. went the wrong way a few times, so gonna get back on the right road and get to where I need to be. Oh man, I'm right by the airport. The strip is right there. All right, well, at least I know where I'm at. I gotta go back on the freeway. Where the fuck is this taking me? Man, I hate when I get lost in Vegas. God, I hate taking wrong turns, man. Stuck in this traffic. I should have known. Every Friday, I even said it earlier. So I'm trying to get out of this this debacle here, man, because I ain't trying to get nailed. Some of these people are just they're driving the suspect. So I don't know. I don't see what we're gonna do. Yeah, I'm not dealing with that. I'm gonna just have to find an alternate route, man. God, I hate traffic around the strip. Uh-oh. All right. I'd rather be stuck in this traffic than freeway traffic, man. That's just not what it is for me. All right, let's see where we gotta go. All right, a lot more colorful things to see over here than the freeway, man. Nothing but a bunch of cars, man. Whew. All right, let's go, man. I'm trying to get out of this shit. Feels great out here, geesh. So I had to pull over real quick, man, to get an idea where I'm at. I'm in some Latin nightclub parking lot. So yeah, we're gonna get back on there. Luckily my friend is running late too, so all right, let's get it going. All right, I think we're on the right track. So that's the Palms Casino right there. That's where they shot The Real World. Y'all remember that show on MTV? Yeah, damn, everybody's out and about today. Good day to stay inside in the evening on a bike. All right, let me go ahead and just hit this left. All right. Flamingo, we got to keep going till we hit Twain. Going across Chinatown here. I'm gonna go through Chinatown to get some tacos. That's funny. All right, man, it is on and popping today, man. It feels good. It feels like a cool 70 degrees, man, on this ride. Can't ask for more than that. How's the riding season going wherever you guys are at, man? You got any good rides planned? Any big trips coming up? Born Free is coming up in June. Anybody going? Maybe we can link up. Let me know. Ooh, nope. All right, destination is just right up there, so we're about to get in some tacos very soon. Oh man, these bumpy ass roads sometimes. Woo. All right, it's right here apparently. Oh, there it is in there. Let's go up in here. All right, the downshift on Harley sometimes sounds like a gunshot, man. Damn, it's funny. All All right, let's see here. And not too bad. Parking lot look okay. Okay, cool. The guys blessed me with an opening. All right. Looking for a Riker, a three-wheel motorcycle. That's what she's riding today. So we out here right now. Just got to the taco stand in the middle of the strip. It's kind of in the middle. The strip is right there. So, and that's the taco stand right there, and that's the whip right there, looking nice. Woo-wee. So still waiting for the homegirl to come through. Traffic's kind of nuts, so I'm not even tripping. I'm about to go in there and check out the spot and see what kind of food we can get. Let's see what this is all about. Oh shit. All right, y'all. Shout out to the taco stand. It was pretty good. It's pretty good. Now it's time to head back to the crib. Hopefully, uneventful ride home, man. Ooh, got lucky. No cars. Let's go. I want to thank y'all for joining us on this episode of Friday Night Rides, a little short one. Man, I haven't done videos in a couple of weeks, 2 weeks. I had to go on some work trips, but glad to be back and glad to put out more content, man. I got a couple more things planned. It's exciting this summer. I can't wait to show y'all, so make sure you stay tuned. And if you haven't yet, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff, man. We're doing some good things out here in Las Vegas, connecting people, man. All right, let's get it.